Good morning, students. Now we'll see the fifth sum of exercise 12.1. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Again, I'll read this part. It is called as 12 is to 17 is to 25. Means it is in ratio. And its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Solution. Okay. Let the three sides be. A is equal to 12x. As okay, the sides are given in ratio, we have to write okay the variable in front of the constant. B is equal to 17x. C is equal to 25x. This is the first side. A 12x, B 17x, C 25x. Semi-perimeter is given. Sorry, perimeter is given. Perimeter is how much? Perimeter is given as 540. Perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. Means A plus B plus C is equal to 540. What is A? 12x plus what is B? 17x. What is C? 25x is equal to perimeter is 540. Add this. 12x plus 17x plus 25x is 54x is equal to 540. X is equal to 540 upon 54 is equal to 10. Value of x is equal to 10. But this is not the end. This is just the value of x. Now we have to find A, B and C. Now what I will do? I will place value of x is equal to 10 in A, B and C. A is equal to 12x means 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter. B is equal to 17x means 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeter. C is equal to 25x means 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. Right? Perimeter is 540. Perimeter is given 540 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to half of perimeter 540 upon 2. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to 2 to the 4, 270. Semi-perimeter is 270 centimeter. Right? Now we have the semi-perimeter. It is 270 centimeter. We have the value of A 120 centimeter. We have the value of B 170 centimeter. We have the value of C 250 centimeter. Now I will write the formula. I will write the formula, Heron's formula. Right? Area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to 270 into 270 minus 120, right, into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250, right, because this is A, B and C. Now the main part is to do the basic operation and find the factors. Is equal to, this is 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150 into 270 minus 170 is 100 into 270 minus 250 is 20 is equal to 270 can be written as like this, 90 into 3 into 150 can be written as 50 into 3 into 100 means 10 into 10 into 20 means 10 into 2. 10 into 2 is equal to. Again we have to write. See factors, okay, you have to be very careful while finding the factors. Again 90 can be written as 30 into 3. And then this 3 will come here. Right? Then this 3 will come here. Then into 10 into 10 into 10 into 2 into 50 is left. 50 is what? 50 is 5 into 5 into 2. 5 5 are 25. 25 2s are 50. Again let's take, okay. 90 is written as 30 into 3. This 3 I have taken here. Then this 3 I have taken here. Then 100 I have written 10 into 10. This 10 as it is into 2. 50 was left. 50 is 5 into 5 into 2. Now I will rearrange this. Rearrange means I will write the like terms closer. Like terms closer. Now okay, this is last step. It becomes is equal to into, right? 1 2 3 30. Again I can write, okay, 30 as 10 into 3. 30 can be written as 10 into 3 into, I will write this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. 3 tens into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 is equal to, right? I'll rub this. Again I'll bring, okay, the like terms closer. This is 10 into this 3 10. 10 into 10 into 10 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Because these are 4 3. So this 4 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So from this 10, okay, a pair of 10, one pair will be, one number will be square root. From this to 10, this will be square root. From this 3 will be square root. From this pair 3 will be square root. From this to 2 will be square root. From this pair 5 will be square root. Now we will multiply and this will be the last step. 10 tens are 100. 100 into 3, 300. 300 into 3, 900. 900 into 10 is equal to 9000 centimeter square. So the area of triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Sixth sum. This is the last sum of this exercise. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? A triangle whose two sides are equal and third side is unequal. That is called as isosceles triangle. They have said that each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. We will call A as 12 centimeter, B as 12 centimeter, C as X. Because we don't know the third side. We know the two sides because both the sides are equal. It is written here. Equal sides is 12 centimeter. Third side, okay, C is equal to X. Perimeter is given 30 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle means sum of all the sides. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3. So it is A plus B plus C is equal to perimeter. Sum of all the three sides of a triangle is equal to perimeter. First side is 12, second side is 12, third side is X is equal to 30. 12 plus 12, 24, right? Plus X is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 minus 24. X is equal to 6. Therefore, C is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have the third side also. that is 6 centimeter. Now we can find the area. We can find the area. Perimeter is known to us 30 centimeter. Semi-perimeter will be half of perimeter. Third side understood how you have find? You have to add both the sides and subtract from 30, we get the third side. Semi-perimeter is equal to, right? 30 upon 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Because perimeter is already given. We don't have to find the perimeter. If it is not given, then only we have to find by adding all the three sides and divide it by 2. If perimeter is already given, you just divide by 2, we get semi-perimeter. Now write the formula. Area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Where is the values? What is the value of S? 15 into S minus A means 15 minus 12 into S minus B means again 15 minus 12 into S minus C means 15 minus 6 because value of C is 6 is equal to, it is 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3 into 15 minus 12 is 3 into 15 minus 6 is 9, okay, which is equal to 15 means, right, 5 into 3. 15 means 5 into 3 into this 3 into 3 into 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Right? Now I will write here, okay. From this pair, 3 is common. 9, square root of 9 is 3. From this pair, 3 is common because 3 into 3 is 9 and square root of 9 is 3. Right? But see this 3 and 5. There is no pair. There is no pair. So we cannot take them out of the root. We will multiply them. 3 5s are 15. That is root 15. So answer is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Again I am telling you, okay, why this under root 15 is inside? Because if you want to find a square root, there should be two same numbers. Then only we can find the square root. This is 5, but there is no pair of 5. So this will remain in root. This is 3. There is no pair of 3. So it will also remain inside. Then what to do? Multiplication of this. Okay? That will become 9 root 15 centimeter square. So this is the answer of this sum. Exercise 12.2, question number 1. A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Here also we have to find the area of triangles, but as it is quadrilateral, there will be two triangles. Let's see how. This is A, this is B, this is C. C is how much? 90 degree, right? And this will be D. We'll join A and D. This is quadrilateral. But if you look at now the values we will put, then you will come to know. AB is 9 meter, BC is 12 meter, CD is 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. You have to join B and D. You have to join B and D because quadrilateral means you will get two triangles. You will get two triangles. Now we can see after joining the diagonal BD. Now two triangles are formed. Which are they? Triangle ABD and another triangle is triangle BCD. Triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. Right? One triangle is we'll see what type of triangle is ABD after getting the value of BD using Pythagoras theorem. Then we'll decide what type of triangle, whether we have to use Heron's formula or we have to use any other formula. So first I will after drawing the figure, first what I have to do, we have to find BD. BD is the hypotenuse in triangle BCD, and we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So I will write here, in right angled triangle BCD, BD is the hypotenuse. So it will be BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square is equal to, this is BC is 12 square plus CD is 5 square. BD square is equal to 144 plus 25, because 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 125. So BD square is equal to 169. Addition of 144 and 25 is 169. Therefore, BD is equal to 13, because square root of 169 is 13. Now we got the value of BD, 13 meter. Now if you look at triangle ABD, okay, all the values are different, means it is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means a triangle whose all sides are different, right? Now, first I will find area of triangle ABD using Heron's formula. In triangle ABD, I will call AB, right, is equal to 9 meter. Then BD is equal to 13 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. AB is small a, BD is small b, and AD is small c. So you know very well. First we have to find the semi-perimeter, right? Semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi-perimeter is equal to A is how much? 9 plus small b is how much? 13 plus small c is how much? 8 upon 2, right? Is equal to 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 upon 2. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to 15 meter. Semi-perimeter is equal to 15 meter. Now I will find the area using Heron's formula. Okay, I will write here now. Area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, now we'll place the values. S means 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus B is 13 into 15 minus 8 is equal to 15 into, what is 15 minus 9? 6 into 15 minus 13, 2 into 15 minus 8, 7 is equal to 15 means 5 into 3, 6 means 3 into 2 into this 2 into 7. From this 2, 3, we will take 3 as common because square root of 9 is 3. From this 2, okay, it is 2. But if you look at 5 and 7, these are unpaired and they are, okay, not the perfect square root. So we will multiply both of them in root. That becomes 35 is equal to 6 root 35 meter square. 6 root 35 meter square is the area of triangle ABD. Again I repeat, 6 root 35 meter square. We have got it, okay, for the area of triangle ABD. Now we will find area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. Now look at this area of triangle BCD. It is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle. So we have tried area of right triangle. Area of right triangle means area of right angled triangle. Right? BCD is equal to half into base into height. So we have to use, okay, half into base into height formula. When you are okay, triangle is right angle triangle. Don't find okay using Heron's formula. Don't ever do it. Use the formula. Half into base. What is base? 12. Into what is height? 5. Divide 2 and 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are is equal to 30 meters square. This is area of triangle BCD, right? But we have to find the area of the park, and area of park is in quadrilateral. Area of park is in quadrilateral. So I will write okay the last part of the sum. Area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. What was area of triangle ABD? It was 6 root 35, right? And what was the area of triangle BCD? That is 30. So it becomes 6 root 35 plus 30 meter square. We cannot add this because 6 root 35 is irrational number. Instead of calling okay in 6 root 35, 35 is irrational number. It is not a perfect square root. And 30 is a rational number. And we know addition of a rational number and irrational number is always irrational number. So the area of park, that is the area of quadrilateral, is 6 root 35 plus 30 meter square. Second sum, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, DA is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm. First we will draw the figure. Figure is very important. This is A, B, C, D. How much is A? 3 cm. BC is 4 cm. CD is 4 cm. AD is 5 cm. And AC is 5 cm. Now if you look at this figure, right? It is quadrilateral. But in quadrilateral how many triangles are there? 2. Now what we'll do, we'll find the area of both the triangles one after the other by taking it as case 1 and case 2. And then when we will get the area of both the triangles, we will add them. Okay. So case 1. Case 1, we'll take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay. I'll take this as small a, this as small b, and this as small c. Small a is equal to 3 cm. Here small a is AB. Small b is BC and small c is AC, right? B is equal to 4 cm and C is equal to 5 cm. Small a is equal to 3 cm, small b is equal to 4 cm, small c is equal to 5 cm. Why? Because we are taking triangle ABC. Semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi-perimeter is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. S is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 upon 2. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Now I will find the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Okay, area is equal to, now we are finding area of triangle ABC. Area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Area is equal to S. What was semi-perimeter? 6 centimeter into S minus A means 6 minus 3 into S minus B means 6 minus 4 into S minus C means 6 minus 5 is equal to under root 6 into, what is 6 minus 3? 3 into 6 minus 4, 2 into 6 minus 5, 1 is equal to 6 into, what is 3 2s are? 6. What is square root of 6 into 6? 6 centimeter square. So the area of first triangle is, that is ABC, is equal to 6 centimeter square. Now we will go for area of triangle. I'll write here, okay? 6 centimeter square. That is the area. Now I will find, okay, area of triangle ACD. I will write here, okay, like this. In triangle ACD, okay, I'll call this as A, this as B, and this as C. Means AC is equal to A, CD is equal to small b, and AD is equal to small c. Right? A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, C is equal to 5 centimeter. Semi-perimeter, because unless and until we find semi-perimeter, we cannot find area. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. S is equal to 5 plus 4 plus C is 5 upon 2. S is equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 upon 2. Therefore, S is equal to 7 centimeter. But this is not the end of the sum. Okay, this is semi-perimeter only. Now we have to find the area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD. Right? I'll find area. Right? Area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD. I'll write the formula. Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now I will place the values. S is 7 centimeter, right? 7 into S minus A means 7 minus 5 into 7 minus B is 4 into 7 minus C is 5 is equal to under root 7 into, what is 7 minus 5? 2. What is 7 minus 4? 3. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Right? So from these two, 2 is common because square root of 4 is 2 into under root 21. Because 3 has not pair, okay, with any other number. 7 is also unpaired. So when any numbers are unpaired and if they are not perfect square root, we multiply them in the root only. So the area of triangle ACB is equal to 2 root 21 centimeter. But we have to find the area of quadrilateral. Then I will write, okay, 2 root 21, right? Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. What is area of triangle ABC? 6 plus what is area of triangle ACD? 2 root 21 centimeter square. Because 2 root 21 is irrational number, 6 is rational number, and we know addition of a rational and irrational number is irrational. We cannot add it or subtract it. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is 6 plus 2 root 21 centimeter square.